Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique,
the channel where we bring you the best products on the market.
Today, we have something truly exciting for all you pool enthusiasts out there.
The Bestway Steel Pro MAX 18-foot x 48-inch.
Round metal frame above ground outdoor swimming pool set with 1000 filter pump, ladder, and cover.
Now, you might be wondering, what sets this pool apart from the rest?
Well,
let me tell you, it's one of the best Semi Inground pools you can get your hands on.
But before we dive into the details,
don't forget to hit that subscribe button below.
And ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest product reviews. Let's start with the key features of this fantastic pool. First off, it's a whopping 18 feet in diameter and 48 inches deep, offering ample space for you, your family, and friends to cool off and have a blast during those hot summer days.
With a capacity of 6,092 gallons, this pool is perfect for all ages to enjoy.
But wait, there's more. This pool set comes with everything you need to get started. It includes a powerful 1,000-gallon filter pump to keep your water crystal clear,
a durable ladder for easy access, and a pool cover to protect your investment when not in use.
What really sets the Bestway Steel Pro MAX apart is its construction.
It features a robust steel frame that's held together with a frame link system, providing remarkable strength and stability. The DuraPlus enhanced 3-play PVC liner not only looks elegant but also adds support for ultimate durability.
Now, let's talk about ease of assembly.
Setting up this pool is a breeze, and you don't need any tools to connect the hose to the flow control valve for efficient water drainage.
Plus, the takedown process for off-season storage is simple and hassle-free. Before you rush to purchase this pool, remember to check your WA rules and restrictions,
as not all housing agencies permit private above-ground pools. Now, let's take a look at what customers are saying about the Bestway Steel Pro MAX pool.
Customers are loving the quality of this pool, mentioning its heavy-duty build and sturdiness.
Assembly is a breeze, making it accessible for almost anyone to set up.
However,
some have reported issues with the pump and occasional leakage.
Durability and value for money received mixed opinions.
In conclusion, the Bestway Steel Pro MAX 18-foot x 48-inch round metal frame above ground outdoor swimming pool set is a fantastic option for those looking to enjoy the summer to the fullest. With its size, durability, and included accessories, it's a great value for the family. Just remember to double-check your local rules before making your purchase. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends.
And as always, stay tuned for more exciting product reviews right here on Product Critique.
Thanks for watching.